Hello, everyone, and thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uniquely Tay. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do a July 4th tiered style tray. I'll be showing you the items I'll be using. I'll be decorating the tray itself, and I'll also be doing very quick and fast DIYs in between and giving you step-by-step process. So, I am Tay of Uniquely Tay. I do DIYs, home decor videos, shopping videos, fake bakes, and much more. If you like videos like these, you're in the right place to be. So make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you will always know when I upload my latest video. So today, you guys, I have on my light Church of Clayton. So y'all can see my emblem. This is my church that I talk about so much. If you're in need for a breakthrough, a word of God, a touch from Jesus, make sure you tune in every Sunday morning at 11 a.m. Light Church Ministries of Clayton, North Carolina, where my pastor is Pastor Jewel Lee, Lady Lanice Lee. Make sure you tune in because God is moving in a mighty way. I don't want you all to miss out. If you're in need of anything, healing, salvation, deliverance, at my church, we are being raised up and prepared to be the light to shine upon the world in a time like this. So this is my pastor. This is my first lady. We have Sunday worship every Sunday at 11 a.m. We also have Thursday night impact, which starts at 7:30 p.m. every Thursday. And y'all, make sure you tune in to one of these services. I promise you, you will never be the same. God is going to change your life tremendously. So the Light Church of Clayton, North Carolina, 400 Wall Street, Clayton, North Carolina, the Light Church of Clayton. Be blessed, and I pray that whatever service that you attend, that you get a special touch from God. So in just a minute, we're going to hop into this quick and easy tier tray DIY. All right, I will link my church description in my description box. I just want to let everyone know that it will be in my description box. I didn't state that in my first clip, but pretty much we're taking these two bandanas and we are going to decorate these signs that I purchased last year, or could have been like year before last, from Dollar Tree. We're going to cover them with some tape. That's a very easy way to change up decor in your house, to kind of like save money and not having to constantly buy pictures for every single holiday. You can use cloth material to cover any of your canvases, and they could be used for the upcoming year for different holidays. So that's the idea that I actually came up with. As all of you know, my kids are out for summer break, so you all are going to be receiving a lot of videos where there's not going to be any sound at all to it, but me doing a voiceover because my house be noisy during this time of the year. The kids are out, they're up, they're roaming, they're doing their little thing. So normally what I'm going to start doing, which you've already seen, I will actually be doing my videos and recording them, and so that you all could properly hear and know what's going on within the video, I'll be doing voiceovers and explaining everything until they go back to school. So this will be going on for a while because they don't go back to school until August. So right here, I'm pretty much I did the same thing I did with the first one. I covered it and added the tape. Added the tape in the back. And like I always tell people, I love greenery. all my tier trays, just about anything home decor. 90% of the time for me, you're going to see some greenery in it. I love greenery. It's good for filling spots, gaps. It always adds that extra touch, that extra like decor pop to anything that you do within your home. So pretty much you will see some greenery in my decor. I love greenery. I'm going to take these lays and we're going to layer each tier with the red, white, and blue lays, which was purchased from Dollar Tree. So I'm adding in my lays. I've placed my greenery. Drop in the comments below and let me know what your plans are. What your plans are for July 4th. Let me know what you may be doing if you're going out of town or if you're just staying home relaxing and just celebrating with your family. This is my favorite part, is the squeaky toy food. I thought these were just the cutest things ever. I wish they had more options. I would have bought way more than what I actually purchased. But I love the fact that they had the 3D food. And I said I can use these in my tier trays. I can use these to make all different DIYs and home decors. So pretty much I'm going to take these squeaky toys and I'm going to add them to my decor. Because in my household, but in my household, 4th of July consists of fireworks, fun, food, lots of grilling out, and just spending time with your family. And that's something that we normally do. So I've already added my black lantern, which I purchased from Dollar General. Now I'm getting ready to take these 3 necklaces that was purchased from Dollar Tree and add them into the greenery of the decor. It's a silver one, a red one, and a blue one. I'm sorry for the sudden pauses throughout the video. I realized that I had a lot of items that had tags on it. So I had to like walk away and grab my scissors. So the long gaps and pauses is me running around trying to grab stuff that I forgot to put out before recording the video. So you can layer whatever you would like if you're using greenery. You can layer the necklaces or any other decor of your choice. You don't even have to use greenery if you don't want to. That's just something that I like to use. I like to use my greenery to give my decor that extra pop. So right now I'm going to kind of like go back and forth with trying to position the hot dog and the hamburger, trying to figure out exactly how I want them to sit within the tier tray or within the decor itself. So I'm going to place them in different areas and kind of like look to see if it's meeting my liking. Sometimes you kind of got to like place things around to see how it may look before you completely are satisfied. It's just the life of a DIYer and a crafter. Dollar General had these beautiful napkins that I bought a couple of weeks ago. They had paper plates that matched them also, so I'm going to be using that. And I also decided to keep my beach balls for this decor purpose also too. A lot of people go to the beach on the 4th, so I decided to add my beach balls. So as you can see, I made some more changes. I took some things down. I added some things. I moved some things around. So just bear with me. I'm going to get everything finalized. I had to make a few changes and just move a few things back around and kind of like resurface, because what I initially liked, and I stepped back and looked, and I was like, I'm going to redo it over again. So that's just me redoing and replacing some of the things that I did earlier so I can re-put up the different items in the final look, in the final way that I want it to be. If you have made it to this part of the video, drop me a hamburger and a hot dog in the comments below. Drop me a hamburger and a hot dog emoji in the comments below. I thank you and I love you so much. So much for everyone that has stuck with me, everyone that has been by my side. So if you made it to that part, please do that. It looks so good, everybody. It turned out great. I love how it looks. It has that special touch. And I love it. Thank you all for tuning in to another episode of Uniquely Tay. Always remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you so much. And create, explore, and enjoy.